Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday 17th of December 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that I have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and also the CFD contracts on the CFD prop firms. So if you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price after Monday rally, which was very strong, had a pullback during the Globex session, and we can see that it created 2 points of controls, and eventually in the middle of this pullback the buyers came back during the London session and pushed the price higher. So after New York market opening, if you look at the 10-minute macro chart, the sellers came back and pushed the price lower, and then it bounced back again and continued like this in a wide range sideways with lots of volatility and shadow, you see. So it's very hard to trade this market. So my plan of action was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when I came back from the gym it was around 10:30, so the market was going up and reaching this area of the resistance. So this wave of uptrend here around 11:30 was taken on Nasdaq with setup T, multiple positions, and also the same on Dow Jones when the price was testing this level of support and there was rejection before that. So I took one long position with setup B on Dow Jones that you see it was closed in the middle of channel with profit, and also at 11:30 this wave of uptrend with setup T again that you can see this channel. So entered in the lower part of channel and closed in the middle of channel, and then all these signals were copied by copy traders to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see here the performance on one of these accounts, which was positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite as we had 100% win rate from the 6 long positions taken. The average winning trades were $200 and the largest winning trade was $415. And also the trades on the CFD prop firms, when I came back and I was trading the futures account, I took several long positions with the 5-minute time frame and swing traded those. I had a small drawdown here and eventually closed all of them with profit, and you see the equity curve here and the final profit and loss and the profit factor, which is around 1.4. So this is also work in progress for a small prop firm using MetaTrader. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on futures and also trading CFDs contracts with MetaTrader is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.